Hello, chemistry. I wanted to go over the factor label problems that we talked about, and I said I would give you an example of doing a few of these. So here they are. Just getting these in the right place for you. So first one is converting 2 liters to gallons. So 2 liters is how many gallons? So I wrote down my conversion factors already, but it's 0.264 gallons are in 1 liter. Okay, so it's just a matter of writing down what you're given, so what you're starting with, right? And this is liters. I know I have to match my unit, the bottom already. And I know because I looked up the conversion factor ahead of time, I know that I can go right from liters to gallons. Okay? So just plug those numbers in. Multiply across. So two times and that's 0.528. Cancel those units, and that's my answer for number 1. All right. Number 2, 1 year is how many seconds? So I know that I can go from years to seconds. It's going to take a while though, right? But we have hours and we have days in there. So let's start. This is going to be quite a long conversion. So I'm going to go 1 year. I know I have to match that automatically. And 1 year can go from years to days, right? 365 days. I know because I have days as a unit here, I have to put days as a unit down there. Okay, and then I know that I can go from days to hours because there's 24 hours in 1 day. All right, so 1 day is 24 hours. And actually, I could even just fill in all my units before I even plugged in numbers. But I know that I have hours here. I'm going to have to put hours at the bottom to cancel it out. Okay, and then from hours, I know minutes make up hours. I'm going to make my line even longer. Okay, and I already know that my unit on the bottom is going to be minutes because I wrote that on the top. And now finally, I'm getting to seconds. Okay, now I can start plugging in some numbers here, or finish plugging in. Okay, so for 1 hour, I know 60 minutes goes into 1 hour. And I know that in 1 minute, 60 seconds goes in. Okay. Next step, cancel units. Days, days, hours, hours, minutes, minutes. And I'm left with seconds as my unit. I'm going to multiply across, and then it looks like all I have to do is divide by 1. Okay? So here we go, a little bit of multiplying. 365 times 24 times 60 times 60. Okay, so one year has this many seconds. 3, 1, 5, 3, 6, 1, 2, 3. Okay, and the next step you'll have to do pretty soon is be putting this into scientific notation to be able to make sense of that. But right now it's 31,536,000 seconds in one year. Okay. All right. Last question. How many feet are in 19 miles? And I wrote down my conversion factor. So 5,280 feet are in 1 mile. So again, this is just a simple problem of doing a conversion. So we're starting with what we're given. Always start with what you're given. match that unit on the bottom. And then I know I can go from miles to feet because I looked up that conversion factor. Okay, so in 1 mile, there's 5,280 feet. Okay, so just multiply across. And that answer is 100,320 feet. And what did I forget to do? I forgot to cancel units. Okay, and we crossed out 4, and I didn't do the bonus question, but maybe that's another time. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.